B number. It is 49 by 1089, okay? And you have to find the square root of 49 by 1089. So what you can do is, you can write like this here, 49 by 1089 is equal to 49 we are knowing, 7 7 is 49. Yes. If you don't know, then you should remember. And 1089 we are not knowing, then what we will do, we will prime factorize it. With 2 it will not go, 3, 9 8 7 and 3. Okay, 9 8 17 and 1 18. So with 3 it will go. 3 3 is 9, 1 and 8 18, 3 6 is 18 and 3 3 is 9. Yes, and again with 3 it will go 1, then after it will come 2 3 is 6 and 1. Okay, so with 11 it will go. Of course, you should know 121 is square root of, okay, 11 square is 121. You are
Sorry, your voice is not. Sorry, your voice is not coming.
In question number 4,
Sir has left the meeting.
Yes, sir has left the meeting.
Can you listen to me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think there was weak network. That's why call was dropped. Yes, I was explaining over here. That is 7 into 7, and below it will come as we had divided prime factorize 1089. We got 3 into 3 and 11 into 11. Are you getting me, Nancy?
Sir, screen you have
Okay,
not
sharing
shared.
screen, it has been not shared. Okay, so of course I will share it just for a second. What I will do is I will share the screen. Okay, so it's not here to be shared. Now can you see the shared screen?
no sir, your profile picture is there.
And the profile, my profile picture is only going. Yes. Okay, no problem. You will see soon then. Is it visible now?
Came, sir,
No,
but
sir,
you
black.
are only visible, sir. You are only visible.
I am only visible. Okay.
It
You
is
can't see
black,
open
sir.
board, is it?
And in background it is black. Now it came, sir.
Came sir.
Now it came. So what you can write it is, while dividing 10, factorizing 1 and 11 into 11. So of course we can write 11 3 is 33 whole square. Then we can write therefore root under 49 by 1089. Of course it will be, square will be removed, it will become 7 by 33. Is it clear to Nancy?
Yes, sir.
And other students, did you understood?
Sir, yes, sir, understood, sir. Sir, one thing just I have to ask, sir.
Yes, say.
Sir, so in question number 4, sir, A, 648 is there. Then when I
Yes.
prime factorized that, then the means, sir, it was 2 2 2 3 3 and double 3, sir. Means 2 pair of 3, sir, and 2 and 1 pair of 2 and 1 single 2, sir. So, sir, we will multiply that
Yes.
number with 2. Then we will get the perfect square, no, sir.
Yes, yes. What pair is
But-
not there, with that number you have to multiply.
Yeah, sir. But
when it is
in
asked
answer,
to divide also, then with that number only you have to divide.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
say.
But in answer, sir.
Yes,
But in answer,
yes.
there are 3 numbers, sir. Means that number is also there. 2 is also there, but different others numbers are also there, sir. 36
Okay.
and 18, sir.
Okay, let me see. 36 and 18 also it is there. What it has been said,
Yeah,
find the
sir.
smallest number on dividing or multiplying by which the number given below will yield a perfect square, and also find a square root of the perfect square so obtained. Okay, then 1 is 2. Like if you will do prime factorization of 648, of course with 2 it will go 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, and 2 4 is 8. Again with 2 it will go 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12, and 2 2 is 4. Again with 2 it will go 2 8 is 16, and 2 1 is 2. Again with 3 it will go 3 2 is 6. Okay, let me rub this. Okay, it will become 27, 3 2 is 6, and 7 3 is 21. With 3, 3 9 is 27, with 3, 3. So what will happen? We can write therefore 648 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Again into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. Then there is no pair of 2. You can write hence 648 must be multiplied by 2 to get a perfect square. Sorry, perfect square that is 648 into 2, it will become how much? 1296, and its square root will become how much? Of course, it has been said to find a square root also, is it? So square root will become, now pair it, 1
36,
2
sir.
another 2, and 3 3 is 9, so it will become 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that is 36. So 36 is given a square root, and 1296 is the square number. Here it has been asked, what it has been asked, by which number, that you have to find. The number given below will
Understood.
also find the square root of the perfect square first obtained. So perfect square is 1296 and its square root is 36. So there were 3 numbers. 1296 was also there, is it? Yes?
Sir, but there is
18 also.
18 was also there.
18
Yeah.
Okay, when it has been said multiply and dividing, of
Sorry,
course,
no.
18 was
Sir, but there is
dividing.
yes, sir. Yes, sir, it is
So
now
you
also,
can
sir.
say, again you can say that by
Why
2
we
it
will
should
divide,
be
sir?
divided to get a perfect square, because it has been said in question itself. If you will see, question it has been said by which number it should be multiplied or divided. Then
Then we will
you can
find
write
both the
648
numbers, sir.
must be
No.
divided by 2 to get a perfect square. Yes.
But sir,
If you will
18
see, over here it has been said
so 18
undivided
is not the square
or
root of that
multiply.
number.
No, now when, okay, just I'll show you again. Just say, of course, there it has been said dividing also, so you can write, and 648 must be divided.
Oh, sir, it is like that. If we multiplied, no, sir. In the same way, we will be dividing also, and that number
Yes,
we will again find the factors, no, sir.
perfect square. Yes, perfect square. That is 648 divided by 2 is equal to, it will become 324,
320.
which is a square of, now one pair if you will take, then of course one pair of 2, when it will be divided, only one pair of 2 it will
18,
be,
sir,
and
18.
then after 3 into 3 will be there, that is equal to 18.
Okay, sir, understood.
Understood?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Sir,
I
wait,
have
sir, wait a minute, sir. Sir, wait a minute.
Okay.
So
So
please
if you want
call it
for,
small, sir. We have to take a screenshot.
okay, so a little bit more is small, I think I have to do, and yes, now I think it will be arranged in a single screen. Yes, got it?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Perfectly.
Clear, sir.
Is there any other doubt? If not, we will be forwarding for the text. Long division method. Are you all listening me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. We are
Listening.
listening to you. Yes, sir.
Can you all listen to me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We can listen to you.
Okay. So, is there any further doubt?
No, sir.
No. I was explaining you long division method of a square root, is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So, okay. So, today also I had explained long division method to other students also in previous class. That's video also I will be uploading, and I will be giving you the link. And last day, I think I had explained you about 676 square root by finding through the long division method, is it?
Yes, sir.
And 7569 I had not explained. Yes.
Yes, sir.
This example number 7 I will explain. See what happens. Long division method, you have to pair the number. From the last digit, you will start to pairing. If it is 3 digit, then of course one will form pair and one will be left single. Like in 276, it has been done. That one was paired and one was single. But in 7569, what happens here? Both will be paired. And pairing shows that these two number at once you have to multiply and divide. Okay, like 75 is there. So 75 will be divided by keeping any other number over here. And which number we will be keeping over here? With the same number we will be multiplying. Like 75 is there. So if I will keep
Sir, 8 square.
2
Sir.
over here,
8 square.
yes, 8 square will become 64 and 9 square it will become 81. That is bigger. So of course you don't have to
Yes,
take
sir.
bigger one. Just before that we will be taking. That is 8 is a 64. 64 will be there. 11 will be down. Now when coming down, here also pair will be coming down at a time. And again this 8 will be added over here. It will become 16. Now what number you will be keeping over here? With the same number you have to multiply. Since over here it is 9, so it will be 3 or 7. If we will keep 3, then it will come nearly about 4,500. But here it is 11. So I think with 7 it will come exactly. Just see 7 7 is 49. Carry 4. 7 6 is 42 and 4 46. Carry again 4. 7 1 is 7 and 4 11. So exactly it is coming with 7.
Yes, sir.
So 167 becomes
Sir,
the
which
root.
give sir,
Yes.
sir, which
Okay.
digit we keep at one's place, that only we multiply with the whole number.
Yes. Yes. And of course, while making, you don't have to write all these steps. Simply you will be showing this long division form method, and then after you will be writing. Therefore, root under 7659 is equal to 87. These steps had been explained over here so that by reading which you can understand it. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if you will see question number 18, of course, now here, if it will be asked such questions that using long division method, find the smallest number that must be subtracted from 5550 to make it perfect square, or add it to 5550 to make it a perfect square. Then there also by using long division method we can do it. Like you can see over here, it has been done with long division method and it has been found is 74. But there is 74, it is left in remainder also. So of course this 74 must be subtracted to get a perfect square. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir. Getting.
Yes.
And what
And-
should be added?
And when it is said added, then in that case, in place of 74, one bigger one we will take. As you can see over here, at the top, here one bigger it has been taken, 75. So of course, what will happen in remainder? It will come negative number. What comes negative number? That must be added. Then only the remainder will become 0. Are you getting me?
No, sir.
So, okay, not getting. So let's see what happens when we divide this with long division method like this. When we make it, okay, just see, it will become 7 7 is 49. Of course, we can't take 8 over here. At last, we have to take one bigger one when it is said to add it, but not at first. So 7 7 is 49. What will happen? 6 will come down and 50 will come down, and this 4 4 it will be cancelled. 7 7 added, it became 14. Now, of course, when it is said to add it, then we know with 7 we will apply, then it will come smaller than 650. Yes. Sorry, with 4,
Yes,
when
sir.
we will apply, then it will come smaller than 650. But we have to know how much it should be added. So we will take just a number bigger with 5. Okay. Like 7 5 are 35. Okay, 5 we will keep that. 5 5 are 25, carry 2. And then after 5 4 are 20 and 2 22. Carry 2, 4 1 are, okay, 5 1 are 5 and 2 7. Now when we will subtract, of course minus is bigger. So from 725, 650 will be subtracted. That means 5 minus 0 is 5. Now 12 minus 5 is 7 and 6 6 got cancelled. So minus 75 is left. So what should be added? Minus 75 should be added. You can write hence 75 should be added to 5550 to make it a perfect square, and its square root is 75. That is, when you will add, it will come 5625, which is equal to 75 square. Is it being clear?
Yes, sir, clear, sir. But
Yes,
that
sir.
minus 75 is removed, sir. That minus.
Yes. To remove this much should be added, na? Then only it will be becoming 0.
Sir, can
Yes.
you take another example, sir?
Of course, I will be taking another example. Just for example,
Yes,
I will
sir.
be taking.
Yes.
any number, let it be 300. What will be added in 300 to make it a perfect square? Simply you pair it, and then after you simply divide it. 1 1 ja 1. Okay. Then after subtracted 2 came, 1 1 added. Okay, 2 became our here. Now this 2 0 will be coming. We know with 2 5 when you will take, then it will become 25 into 20, 25 into 5,
Sir, 27 7 just sir.
Yes, with 6 it will go. How much? Let me see. 26 into 6. It is coming 6 6 are 36. Carry 3. 156. With when you will take 7, then it will become 7 7 are 49. Carry 4 and 189. That is a smaller. Then we will take 8. 8 8 are 64. Carry 6. 8 2 are 16 and 6 22. So we can give our here 6, because when you have to find adding one, then you have to take the bigger one at last, not the smaller one. When it is said subtracted, then we will be taking this smaller one, and what will be coming remainder, that much must be subtracted. When it is said added, then we will be taking bigger one, that is we will be keeping over here what, 8, and here also it will become 8 only, sorry, not 6, 8. Okay, then it will become 224. Yes, it is the 64, it is the 16. Yes. So what will happen? This will come like this. Okay, 4
minus 20
and 2. So minus 24 it will become. So we can say hence 24 must be added to 300 to make it a perfect square. Got it?
Yes,
Sir, answer
sir.
is there in
Yes, sir.
minus, sir.
Answer is coming minus. Of course, this to make it 0, 24 should be added. Then only it will become 0 and it will become a perfect square, isn't it?
Okay,
Sir,
sir. Okay, sir. Understood.
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
sir, sir, why you have divided 200, sir, that by bigger number, sir? Why we can't divide that by smallest number?
When it is said added, then you have to divide it with a bigger number. When it will be said subtracted, then you have to divide it with a smaller number.
Okay, sir.
That's only it has been done over here. For subtraction, what it has been done? It has been applied a smaller number 4. You can see over here. With 4, it has been applied, and 74 left as remainder. So to remove this remainder, 74 must be subtracted. And then when 74 is subtracted, then 5476 comes, which is the square root of this number 74. And when it is said added, then just one bigger number, not more bigger number, only one digit bigger you have to take, because you have to find the smallest number which can be added. Okay, so 75 it has been taken, and then 75 minus 75 comes as remainder. So of course, to make the remainder 0, 75 must be added, and when 75 must be added, it will become 5625, which is the square of this 75. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, say.
in adding, sir, we have to take largest number, and in subtracting, we have to take a smallest
Larger
number.
bigger number you can say. And
Yes,
in
sir.
subtracting, you have to take a small number. Yes. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear.
sir. Clear.
yes.
So now if you will see 19 number, of course these questions are okay. This even your class is also being recorded. That also I'll be uploading. Just see, and earlier also I had explained this example. Those who do not understand, they can of course refer to both the videos also. Example number 19 you can see. Here it is long question, but solution it is smaller if you will watch. And of course when you will understand, then you can do that. Here it has been said, on a school's annual day, chairs have to be arranged in auditorium in such a way that the number of chairs in the row is equal to the number of rows. That means as much chairs are there in one row, okay, that many rows are also there. So number of columns and number of rows are equal. Here it has been said, find how many chairs are there in each row if total number is 4000 chairs are brought for auditorium, but 31 chairs were removed since their covers were not were found to be dirty. Covers were dirty, so 31 chairs has been removed. So now how much will be arranged? 4000 minus 31 will be arranged. Yes. So at first here it has been done 4000 minus
It will
31.
be 63.
3969. This much chair has to be arranged, and since the number of columns and rows are equal, of course we have to find its root. Like if you will see, if we will arrange 4 chairs in one row, then we have to make 4 rows over there. So altogether how many chairs will be there? 4 into 4, that is 60. So what will happen? Total number will show the square number, and number of rows and column will show us the root of total number. Getting it? That is number
Yes,
of
sir.
rows and column becomes 4. So in same way here also total number of chair is 3969. So its square root it has been found by long division method. 39 and 69 pair it has been formed, and 6 6 is 36. 3 it has been came down. Now 6 added to 6 it becomes 12. Now again when we had kept 3, of course with 3 exactly it goes. So what happens? 63 chairs can be arranged in one row, and in each numbers of chair in the row will be also 63. So at last it has been written, thus in each row there are 63 chairs and there are 63 such rows. Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. So now we will be moving towards example
Yes,
number
sir, clear.
20. In example number 20, if you will see here, it has been said find the square root of 299.29. Of course, if there is decimal number also, then also we can find the decimal number square root by using long division method. Okay.
Yes.
There what you have to do is after point you should form the pair. Here already it is 2. If it will be 3 number, then you will be keeping one more 0. In next page in note it has been given also. So after point there will be forming pair, and before point there will be forming pair. It will make like this 299.29. So 29 one pair, 99 one pair, and 2 one pair. Okay. So when we will be dividing, of course with 2 it will not go, it will go with 1, because 2 to the 4 it becomes bigger. Pair wise it will be divided.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So if you will see over here, it is with 1. So 1 1 ja 1. Subtracted came down 1. Then after 9 9, pair will be coming one set down. Okay. So 1 1 added, it will become 2. Now here what number you will be keeping with the same number you have to multiply. So if you will see, if you will
27,
keep
sir. Yeah.
7, not yes 7, with 7 it will go. Yes. 7 7 ja 49, carry 4, 7 2 ja 14, and 2 8, 14 and 4 was carry, so 18. Okay. 7 7 ja 49, 4 was carry, and 7 2 ja 14 and 4 18. So while subtracting we got 10. Of course when we will make take 8, then it will become bigger than 199. So we had not taken 8 over here. Now again pair will come down. Since the pair is after point, here it will be kept point. 7 it will be added over here, it will become 34. Now which number you will be keeping over here? With the same number you have to multiply. So with 3 it is going exactly. Just see 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 2 carry 1, 3 3 is 9, 1 10. So what will happen?
$17.3 will come, sir.
Sir, 17 not 3.
Yes, 17.3 will become the
Yes,
square root.
sir.
You can write therefore, okay. Therefore, root under 299.29 is equal to 17.3. So of course in point also we can find perfect square and non-perfect square. Is this
Yes,
clear
sir.
to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
So now we will be moving further. Okay. After this example, it has been explained stepwise. Of course, if you will read this step, that will also make it clear to you. Now here what I had said, if there is no pair forming after decimal, if there is odd number of decimals over there, then what you can do is you can keep 0 also. Same thing it has been said over here in the note. If the number of decimal digits is odd, a 0 is affixed in the end of the number, thus the even number of decimal place is obtained, so that it will form a pair. Getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if you will see now example number 21, then in example number 21, what it has been said, find the smallest number that must be subtracted from 853.456 to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of a perfect square first obtained. So if you will see, here is 3 number. So make it 4. 1 0 has been kept over here. Yes. And then again the same process of division has been done. And of course, okay, here it has been said also
Sir,
what
can
must.
you please tell once more, sir, why here 10 is added, sir?
Okay, for making a pair. Earlier, while making a pair, what will happen? Of course, if you will leave also, then there it will be considered as 0 itself. Like if we will make pair 853.456 was there. So after before point pair it will be formed, one will be left. Here also pair it will be formed and one will be left. So for making the pair you can keep 0. Okay, or even 6 is there, that means after 6 there is 0, 60. Got it? After a number we can, after point if there is a number, then after that we can keep as many 0 we will require. Value will not change. Like 0.4 is equal to 0.40 also, 0.400 also, 4000 also, that means 0.4000 also. It is not written read as 400 or 4000. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, because
Yes,
value
sir.
after 0 after point, it is not considered, sir.
Yes, if there is only 0, then it will not be considered. Okay, but if it will keep any one number over here, then the value changes, then it will not be equal. If you will keep
Yes,
one over
yes,
here,
sir.
it changes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this last example I will be explaining, then I will be ending the class. Okay. So just see, here it has been said, find the smallest number that must be subtracted from 853.456 to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square first obtained. Now here it is said, what number must be subtracted? So what we will do, of course by long division we will find the square root, and at last what comes as remainder, that should be subtracted. Like over here if you will see, here comes remainder what, 2319, but this is after point numbers 2319, because when we are dividing 4 5, bringing 4 5 over here, and this 4 5 digits and this 60 digits combined, then this came 2319. So from last digit 2319 should be subtracted. That means 0.2319 should be subtracted. Getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it has been
Yes, sir.
said also over here. If you will see, at last it has been said. We can see 853.456 is not a perfect square, since we are left with the remainder 2319 while doing long division. Okay. Thus, if we subtract 0.2319 from the number, we will get a perfect square, and its square root will be this only, 29.21. After subtraction, it has been shown division once again. Of course, if you will not show also, then also it will be coming the same thing only.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, like previous, sir, previous when we have to get add means when it is said to add some numbers and make it perfect number, sir. Then in that case we were choosing a little larger number, sir. But when it is subtracted, then in that case we will choose a smaller number, no, sir.
Yes, a smaller number, or okay, you can say exact number. Of course, if it is not a perfect square number, then it will some remainder will be left, and that must only must be subtracted.
And if there will be, if it will be, sir, non-perfect, then we have to check a smaller one.
In subtraction, you have to take a smaller one only.
Okay,
In
sir.
addition, you take big. If it is perfect, then it will come 0. That is nothing. You have to add nothing. You have to subtract. If it is non-perfect, only there will come a smaller or bigger.
Okay,
Clear,
sir.
everyone? Okay. So
Yes,
of course,
sir.
further example we will be explaining you next day. From here, the square root of rational numbers. Okay. What you will do is further. Okay. Try this section. You will try to do. Okay. Here is your. Okay. Whatever the problem will be there, that I will be explaining you next day. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Try this section of page number 49. I am moving a little bit fast so that I can complete the chapter earlier, because now we are near to the time of PT2. Okay. So now I will be dismissing this recording. Recording has been started. Okay. So now I'll download your attendance. From here it will be downloaded. Yes, it is downloading, and I think it has been downloaded also. Here if you will see, yes, 106. And of course, if it is not on YouTube also, if it has not been uploaded on YouTube, then even you can see the video from your team itself also. Where you will see that also I will be explaining today itself. Just see. Here if you will go in team, okay, your class is 8B, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can see in 8th A team, I think you can't access because you are not over there. So earlier one which I had done recording, which I was showing you earlier while the class was joined, it is showing. Now if you will go in 8B, in your own team 8B maths, there it will come. Okay. Files, and files you will click. Then you will get recording. Okay, since it has I have dismissed now. Okay, after 2-3 minutes it will be showing. If you will see now in your mobile, it might be showing you if recording has been stopped. Yes, recording has been stopped. Okay, stop. No, not stop. So now it will be stopped.